So hi friends, so today video is for how to update address in Aadhaar card. So the importance of the Aadhaar card. You can use this card anywhere. Instead of making passport, you can open a bank account. You can get the cash connection. You can get the mobile bill, mobile connection. So Aadhaar card is like a permanent ID proof and address proof nowadays. Okay. So as we all know that initially you have for making of Aadhaar card you have to go to the center and then you have to give your fingerprint size and everything, and after 2 or 3 months you'll get the Aadhaar card. But now the problem is what you having your Aadhaar card, you having everything updated in your Aadhaar card, but currently if you're suppose you have made your Aadhaar card in your native place and now you are in Bangalore or Delhi or any other big city and you want to change the address on your Aadhaar card, then how you can do it? So it's very easy, it's very simple. You can do it with online already, but for that you need to update your mobile number in the Aadhaar card. So initially when you made your Aadhaar card, so I don't think so your mobile number is updated. If it is not, then how you can update your number, I'll tell you. Okay, so suppose you have your Aadhaar card, and first go to that site. The site is uidai.gov.in. This is a government site. In this site you can check your Aadhaar card updation and everything you can check. For the check and on you can also update your Aadhaar card address. To log in this website through your Aadhaar card, you need the mobile number should be updated. If your mobile number is updated, then you'll get the OTP and you can log in it. If it is not, then what you can do, you can go to your Aadhaar card center nearby. And now the question is how you can search the Aadhaar card center. Go to the Google Map, put the Aadhaar card center, search it, and you can find nearby so many Aadhaar card center in your area, and you can go anywhere. So it's not a big office kind of thing. It's a small. You can see the photocopy or STD machine will be there. So they have made so many Aadhaar card center. You can go anywhere and you can give your so main thing. So to update the mobile number, you don't need any kind of document. You just go with your Aadhaar card and go there and give your Aadhaar card number, do some fingerprint and eyes check, and then they will update the Aadhaar card number immediately, and they will charge for it I think 100 rupees, and immediately, not immediately, after 2 weeks of time your Aadhaar card number will update. So now suppose your Aadhaar card with number updated, now you want to change the address online. So how you will do it? So we have this website. Go to this website. So if you forget this website name, so you can go to Google and you can try to put Aadhaar card address update. So you can put Aadhaar card address update, and you can find this. This is the first site. You have to go to this site. It's a site that uidai.gov.in. Now you're on this site. Now how you can change your address on your Aadhaar card. I'll tell you. So go to that link, update Aadhaar card details, click on this. Now one more window will open. So these are some questions that this is saying. The first question is saying your mobile number is update mandatory. So if your mobile number is not updated, you are not able to log in. Apart from that, whatever address detail you want to check, you have some kind of proof for it. Okay, so you should have some kind of proof, so you can attach in this website, and so they'll verify all it. So if everything is correct, then you can click here. Now again one more site will open. Now here you have to put your Aadhaar card. So I'm putting the Aadhaar card number here. The Aadhaar card number is 437. Now put the verification code. It's 2246. Now click on this button, send OTP. After clicking this button, you have to check your mobile number or mobile which you have updated. On that mobile, you will get one OTP or it. So I'm putting a OTP. Already got the OTP number. It's 593466. Okay, now log in. Now after logging it, you'll check so many details are showing. So what you want to update? So I think everything should be same at the time of first. If it is not, then you can click over it and you can do the updation. Okay, so we'll go with the address, and if you wanted to put that, you can also put the email ID. or leave it for email ID, no problem. You can put the, or whatever, if you want to put, you can put the email ID. Now click on the submit. Now it will get the detail. So here you have to put your, everything is detailed. Okay, so whatever current address you are living, the same address you have to be put here. Okay, you have to be put whatever thing you wanted to put. If you not, then leave it, and now put the address. So I'm putting the address. So just now I updated the address, or after putting some of the address till here, you can see the flow address detail automatically will come, or you have to select it will be Bangalore South, and whatever you can select it, and make sure your pin code should be proper, and whatever address you are putting here on at the address proof, whatever you are going to be put, you are going to be upload in this website, it should be same, both should be match. Okay, now we are going for the submit update request. Okay, now you can again verify your address here, and you have to be that I have confirmed. You have to be click here. Now proceed further. Okay, now there are so many documents which you can upload here. So if you have the passport, correct passport, bank statement, passbook, post office accountment, so all these are for the address. So I don't think so if you're going immediately in the Bangalore and Kolkata and anywhere you can get these kind of document, or it's not possible, right? Here is a one thing you can get easily, which is rent register sale, lease, or rent agreement. So I think the rent agreement you can get easily, and that will be very you can get easily, and there is no problem to getting it, because if you're taking any kind of apartment and flat over there, you have to be made rent agreement for it, so you can get this thing easily. Now go to this, upload this rent agreement file, which I already found. Okay, 1 minute. This is my rent agreement. I have selected it. I think it's uploading. You can see here upload happening. It's 72%, 75, 81%. And it's uploaded. Okay, you can see I have selected the rent agreement. I uploaded. Now submit button is highlighted. Now I'm going to click on submit button. Now it will ask that your whatever you have uploaded, it should be proper, and otherwise it will be reject. You can say yes, it's a valid and upload document. Okay, now there are two services, two agencies are there for Aadhaar card, who is doing your verification. So whatever is less time, processing time, you can select that. So I'm going to select this one because it will process my application within 1 day 4 hours, and other agency is taking 2 days. You can do also this, there is no problem, but whatever is good, you can choose this one. So I'm taking this one, no problem. So after this you can put it submit, or at the last you'll get the message also in your mobile number, and you can take a printout of this, that this is whatever address you have put it, it's updated, and you can take a printout of it. And after 2 days of time, you will get the message on your mobile number, but what happened with your application, or what they did. If they updated, you can also check after 2 days of time. You can check Aadhaar number or Aadhaar card. Check the Aadhaar card status, or you can go or download the Aadhaar card. So from here, if you're going to download your Aadhaar card, so it's simple. You have to put your Aadhaar card number, full name, pin code, whatever pin code you put it, this thing, and mobile number, and then generate the OTP, and you will get the OTP, and you can download the new Aadhaar card from here. It's very simple. So using this, I think that you can update your Aadhaar card in very well manner, and it is very easy. You have to put only your rent agreement, proper rent agreement, and that rent agreement should have your proper address proof. So thank you for viewing this video. Thank you so much. Bye.